bang ang rason kung bakit may mayaman at mahirap ay para maging balanse ang mundo? Bakit napakaraming taong naniniwala ito? Tamo, pag-usapan natin yan straight from my office. Hi everyone, this is Migs. Let's turn your situation to life coaching lesson. Ang sagot is no. Kasi if we're just gonna look at that idea alone, if dapat ang partition ng mayaman at mahirap ay 50-50. Pero hindi siya 50-50. In fact, it's 90-10. 90% of people are in poverty, only 10% of people are achieving what we call financial stability. So kung ginawa ng Panginoon para maging balanse ang mundo, may mayaman at mahirap, dapat 50-50. Pero hindi siya ganun. So doon pa lang medyo mali na. Number 2 point that I'd like to point out here, kung ang purpose lang ay para maging balanse ang mundo, bakit hindi